as okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the LED strip, the long LED strip, down the front to the rear of the rocker panel, as you can see. Once you reach the rear of the rocker panel, you're going to take the remaining part of the harness and you're going to connect it to your secondary harness right there, tie strap it, run it behind this trim molding piece that is by the fuel filler pipe. I've ran it inside the wheel well. Inside the wheel well with the tire removed, you'll see 10mm nut studs, and I put clamps, rubberized clamps around to hold the wiring on the inside of the wheel well behind the shock. Once you go behind the shock, there's going to be a piece of the trim of the wheel well. You're going to go behind that. As you can see, there's the fuel filler pipe, and pull it around by the frame. And as you go through the frame, tight a little excess up on one of the core supports. Attach my secondary LED strip on the rear of the bumper. Ran it from one side all the way to the middle of the rear bumper. This is where you will connect to your Y connection, and you'll connect the other side of the vehicle the same way. You'll bring the long side in to the bumper, connect it to the rear. I went in underneath the spare tire area and then seal that area up. Once you get all that completed and you get your other side installed, you'll see inside the spare tire area here in just a second. This is the spare tire area where it's come through the grommet. I run it along the bottom, underneath all of the trim, as you can see there. It'll go behind the back seat, under the back seat. Then you've got your trim on the side that runs along the door. I've added some extra wiring. As you can see, the red and black wire runs along the side of the door seal through the B-pillar. It'll go up through the front door seal area, and I've ran it all the way up to the front. Now, what I've done is I've taken that wire, ran it through the kick panel, and then up underneath the front panel there, you've got a switch stack. I've actually put a switch in there to control the underbody lights, ran the power to that through a fuse, and ran the power and ground out to the underbody lights with a switch. As you can see, with it on, you can control it with the app. Works flawlessly. We'll run multicolors, multiple types of patterns, strobes, flashing, solid colors, different types of setups. It's really bright, looks really, really good, has been very reliable, no issues at this point. Just another really, really good product. If you want to stand out at night and have your car light up, have it look really cool, then you're going to want to go ahead and install some of these. Now, I wouldn't recommend driving down the road with a multi-flashing pattern. It might create a problem in your area due to your traffic laws, but you know, you can probably get away with a solid color as long as it's not moving or flashing or too distracting. But for shows, things like that, very, very nice. Thanks, Unu Auto.